Seagull.
Hello.
Is it? Hey, what's up,
Are you gonna
buddy?
get the water?
Yeah. I mean, no, I'm not gonna get it. That's beautiful. You can scare it off if you want. Now. Get as close as you can to it. You scared? You scared? Look at him walking away from me. My little brother. Nice. Where's Junior? Did you get any pictures? I got some nice pictures of you, bro, with that bird. Where's Junior? Done? You left her Twisted Tea.
I know, I gotta finish it.
Yeah.
I helped this little girl catch a crab.
For real? Was it kind of big?
Yeah, it's in the bucket.
What? Man, where down there go? Oh, okay. Oh, no? Told his tail not to. Junior! He's somewhere under the dock. Oh, he over there in the sand. Right there. Look at him. My son really enjoying this thing. He like shit, daddy. There's
Jellyfish over there.
crabs and everything.
Catch you one.
Yeah. He said, oh, for real? They trying to catch some, boy. Huh? Alright. White sand, man.